student, now we are going to start the new chapter, which is the part of your physics. The chapter name is the current electricity, which is the third chapter of your science 1. Okay. So first we have to understand what is current and electricity. Okay. So current electricity is nothing but the flow of charge. It is nothing but the flow of charge with the help of electron through a conductor from one point to the another is called as current. Okay. So first we have to understand what is current. So current is the flow of charge. Flow of charge is called as current. Okay. Now, electrons are the charge carriers. Electrons are charge carriers. So we can say electrons are the responsible for carrying charge from point of origin to the point of use. So electrons are, that's why electrons are called as charge carriers. Okay. So first we have to understand the current. So current is nothing but the flow of charge with the help of electron from one end to the another end is called as current. Now we have to understand how electricity or current is flowing from one place to another. So for the flow of current there must be the potential difference. Okay. Let's take an example of the power plant. Okay. So in power plant, continuously electricity is produced in a power plant, and at our home we are consuming electricity which is coming from the powerhouse or power plant. So it is the point of origin and it is the point of use. So the potential difference of the current which is always higher than the point of origin. जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी वहां पर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, पोटेंशियल कैसा होगा? हाई होगा. कैसा होगा? पोटेंशियल हाई. एंड आवर होम दैट वी आर कंज्यूमिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हियर पोटेंशियल विल बी जीरो और लेस. Potential is low. So it is the potential higher region and it is potential lower region. That means there is a difference in potential of the point of origin to the point of use. Okay. So here is the potential difference. Okay, it is nothing but the potential difference. Okay. So electric current always flows from the region of higher potential to the lower potential. Like in our home, the water-headed water tanks, water always flows from the higher region to the lower region. Water cannot flow from the lower region to higher region automatically. We need water pump to pump water from the well or tubewell to the overhead tank at our home. But without electricity, water is supplied from the overhead tank to the lower part of the like tap, in our basin, in our washroom, etc. So water always flows from the region of higher to the region of lower, or from higher region to lower region. Likewise, electricity is always flows from the region of higher potential to the lower potential, and electron are the charge carriers. Okay. So we have to write the important point about the current electricity and how it flows. So current is the flow of charge. Current is the flow of charge by electrons from the region of higher potential to the region of lower potential. Okay, so this is the very important point that you have to remember. What is the important point? The current is the flow of charge with the help of electron, and it always flows from the region of higher potential to the region of lower potential. Okay, so write down this part, then we will move further. As we know, during the rainy season, when lightning takes place, it always flows from the sky region to the earth. So earth have the zero potential, or we can say earth is the lowest potential, because the lightning, it always flows from the higher region to lower region. That means inside the earth. In our domestic home circuit, we are using earth wire also. Okay, so like in our devices, there are three wires are present. One is the live wire, then neutral wire, and third one is earth wire. So when any electronic devices which are made up of the metallic part, then the amount of, sometime it takes place, the amount of charge which got stored in a device's body. So due to which, if any person will touch that device, will feel the electric shock. So by the prevention of getting electric shock, another one wire which is connected in a home circuit and which is connected to the earth wire. So earth wire, inside the earth there is a copper plate is buried, and from where the wire which is comes out and which is circulated through the domestic circuit. That domestic circuit earth wire neutralize the extra current which is stored in the metallic body of the electronic devices. That's why the earthing wire is very important. Okay, so the earthing wire which is useful because the earth have the lowest potential on earth. That's why we are using earthing wire. Okay, so for the potential difference we have to derive the formula. So the potential difference between 2 points, potential difference between 2 points is equals to the amount of work done divided by charge transfer. Okay, so the difference in potential between 2 points is represented by V equals to work done is represented by W, and charge transfer charge is denoted by Q. Okay, so it is the formula for calculating potential difference. So potential difference equals to W divided by Q. W is work done, Q is charge, and V is potential difference between 2 points. Okay. So this is formula is very useful, which going to use in our next part, where we will solve few numericals depend on such formulas. Okay, so write down this formula, then we will move further. Okay, so we know 1 volt equals to, volt is nothing but the unit of potential difference. So 1 volt equals to, what is W? W is nothing but the work done, and which is denoted by joule. So 1 joule divided by, see we are taking each time unit. Okay, and charge is nothing but its unit is coulomb, and it is also 1. So we have to define this. When the amount of work done, in a, or we can say we have to define the 1 volt of potential difference. So 1 volt of potential difference can be defined as the 1 joule of work done by any electronic devices by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge. Then we will say the potential is of 1 volt. Okay, so it is the formula for 1 volt potential difference. Now we have to define it first. Okay, so 1 volt of potential difference, 1 volt of potential difference, 1 volt of potential difference is equals to the work done, or to 1 joule of work is done by flow of 1 coulomb of charge through the circuit is called as 1 volt of potential difference. Okay, so for this it is the formula. Okay, so write down now. So I hope आपको आज का सेशन समझ में आया होगा बहुत अच्छे से. If you are getting problem in understanding, then you can repeat the video once. Okay, so that you will understand the part precisely. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं next video में. In next video we will understand about the how current is flowing from one part to the another part. Okay, so bye for now.